Hey, my name's Connor. I'm a software engineer at Octave, and today we're going to connect to the Octave MCP server, connect Claude to the Octave MCP server using a custom connector. So if you come into your Octave dashboard here, you can open up this dialog and copy the custom connector link. It's a URL here. And then the next thing that we'll do is we're going to open Claude, head over to settings, and there's a connectors section. You can go there and add a custom connector. So we're going to put the URL in here, we're going to call it Octave, and add. Cool. And then you may need to authenticate here after you set up, and it'll take you to a screen and log in. Once you've gotten that connected, then you can go say list Octave MCP tools, and this will give us a better idea of the Octave MCP tools that you can use for your go-to-market strategy. Finding people, researching them, generating content, search your resources, look at your go-to-market library, run all sorts of agents and things. And then just to confirm that we're all connected here, we'll list the personas in the workspace. So in Octave, to see your personas here, you can head to your library. I'm in an Octave here with my personas, and then in Claude we're connected there. So excited to see what everyone builds with this.